Luckily for you guys, I'm in my 50s, exercising a lot, and getting injuries, so I can keep making these videos for you. You're welcome. This time it was my pec muscle. I'd been pushing a little too hard. Get it? Pushing's how you build your chest, and I was also metaphorically pushing too hard with my workouts. Anyway, I went to see Alice, one of our physiotherapists at Yellow Gazebo. First thing she did was ask about my injury history and any radiating pain. Then it was down to my tank top or athletic shirt, if we're being technical, so she could actually see what was going on. She put me through some range of motion tests. I was stiff, but nothing major. Alice explained that limited movement in my torso might have set me up for this pec strain. Then came the strength tests, which confirmed I'm basically just a big weakling. The only discomfort, luckily, was exactly where I'd hurt myself, on the left. Once Alice found the sore spot, she diagnosed it as good old-fashioned overuse. That's when the fun started. She began with some hands-on manual work to loosen up the muscle fibers near my armpit and pec region. Then came the laser. At Yellow Gazebo, we use a really good class 4 cold laser. A few minutes on your skin can have a big effect in reducing pain and speeding healing. The safety glasses kind of make me look like I'm auditioning for Top Gun, don't you think? And this is exactly what our physiotherapists do every day. Not just fixing injuries, but helping you prevent them. If you're training hard, sitting all day, or just feeling tight, this kind of work can make a huge difference. After that, my favorite part, exercise instruction. First up, thread the needle, but aimed at the thoracic spine. You rock your hips back, one hand behind your head, rotate down to tuck your elbow under, then rotate back up towards the ceiling. Doing this targets the part of your spine that supports your chest and shoulders and keeps you from getting exactly the kind of overuse strain I had. Next was something brand new for me, a seated thoracic plyometric exercise. You put your hands behind your head and then swing your torso quickly backwards. Having Alice's hand to high five here helped me make sure I was swinging in the right way. Just a few of these opened up my movement really well. Finally, a pec stretch I'd never seen before. You stand sideways to a wall, your arm up at a right angle, your elbow in line with your shoulder. You step forward with the leg closest to the wall, keeping your hips and shoulders squared forward, and you lunge gently in a controlled pec stretch. It's simple, safe, and it feels great. So if you're like me and you tend to overdo it, or you just want to move better and stay out of pain, book in with one of our physiotherapists here at Yellow Gazebo. We'll help you recover and keep you strong enough to keep doing the things you love.